What was once an old airport runway in the Siberian village of Cherapcha is now a useless, swampy field. Thawing permafrost is to blame. From buildings and roads to pipelines and storage facilities, countless structures built atop northern Russia's permafrost are collapsing as the earth heats up and the ice beneath their foundations melts. The personal impact on residents is clear.
У нас все течет сюда под дом. И, соответственно, здесь у нас как мерзлота, да? Она то возвышается, то опускается.
And the costs keep on mounting. According to Yakut's Melnikov Permafrost Institute, Russia could face $97 billion in infrastructure damages by 2050 if the rate of warming continues.
Нарушения, к сожалению, сейчас наблюдаются практически повсеместно. Нет ни одного населенного пункта российской Арктики, где мы бы не нашли разрушенные или деформированные здания.
Alexei Maslekob is a permafrost scientist at Moscow State University. He explained that when the Russian Arctic was developed in the 1960s and 70s, construction regulations did not take into account the changing natural environment.
Здания стоят на сваях и держатся за счет силы смерзания вечной мерзлоты с сваями этого фундамента. И проектировщики, когда строили эти здания, они рассчитывали количество свай, глубину их заложения относительно определенной температуры вечной мерзлоты. Подразумевалось, что температура мерзлоты, она всегда стабильна, и она не меняется. И только через несколько десятилетий стало ясно, что температура мерзлоты такой же меняющийся фактор, как и температура воздуха.
The 10,000 population town of Cherapcha saw its airport close in the 1990s. Over the years, the once smooth runway has been replaced by a mottled field as the ground sinks. Researchers say that eventually the area will become a lake and found that some parts of the town are already sinking by as much as 12 centimeters per year. With permafrost covering 65% of Russia's landmass, there are more than 15 million people living on permafrost foundations across the country. A study found that 72% of people surveyed in 8 settlements in central Yakutia reported problems with the subsidence of their homes' foundations. Residents like Yegor Dyachkovsky.
Когда мы взяли этот участок, лет 5 назад, да, здесь прямая была. И за 5 лет вот и все. Дом-то, который мы на сваях делали, 30 сантиметров от земли стояла, а сейчас уже почти метр.
Russia is investing to better monitor the subterranean thaw. But Ecology Minister Alexander Kozlov said in August that we don't know what's actually happening to it and that the ministry plans to deploy 140 monitoring stations to understand what is melting and how to prevent accidents. But for many, like Dyachkovsky, it's too little too late. The 5 truckloads of soil he's used to try and fill the gap between the ground and his home are not enough. It's a costly problem to fix. But there's a wider global impact to consider too. Russia warms 2.8 times faster than the global average, and so the melting of Siberia's long-frozen tundra is releasing greenhouse gases that scientists fear could frustrate global efforts to curb climate warming emissions.